Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today I have an unboxing from another budget-friendly, wallet-friendly, affordable diamond painting website. I've reviewed them before on my channel. It's DIY Digital Art. I will have the link in the description box below. Let's get started. We're going to start with this one. This one is super cute. I really like this one. So let's open it up. And this is a bee. Look how cute this is. So it measures 30 by 30. Here's the thumbnail. And it's a partial. So really all you're drilling is this area here, not the background. It looks like there are 8 different types of drills with DMC numbers. That's really helpful actually, because if you keep your special drills, you'll want those DMC numbers. Let's take a look at the drills themselves. Ooh, I see black ABs. I really love black ABs, but here are some gold rhinestones, some blue rhinestones. They're not faceted, they're like little domes. That's really pretty. And then, once we get to this one, there's some silver, goldish, gold, copper, yellow. I don't know. Am I even saying the colors right? Black. And then check out these black ABs. Black ABs are my favorite. They're so cute. Okay, and then also these marquee, as you guys have told me multiple times, marquee drills. So those are there. Where do these two go? These two are for the eyes, which is really neat. I guess I can lower this down more. So it's going to go on the eyes. And that's really pretty. Where are the black ABs going to go? The black ABs are going to go, number 1. The black ABs are actually going to outline the entire bee. That'll look really cool. Neat. I thought it was going to be like the bee body, but no, it's not going to be the bee body. So that's really cool. Let me put these away. Look at my expert packing. Hire me at your factory. I will put your drills away. Look at that. Oh, I'm such a pro. And then it also came with this kit, which is a basic kit. And it also came with tweezers, so that's helpful. This will go in my diamond painting portfolio. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. Next up, we have this one. This one is really cute. It is a little, what is it called? Dream catcher, and it measures 30 by 40. Where is the opening? Whew. It is hot out, guys, today. It's like plus 32 or something Celsius. Hey, another heat wave. I'm expecting all summer to go this way, which isn't very fun. Here's the canvas. Here are the drills. Look at this pastel diamond painting, and it is poured glue. And the difference with this one, this is a bit different from other ones I've received from them, because there's actually a border along the sides and the bottom and top where you don't actually drill. So that'll be really good, like if you want to frame it. And then there's actually a image of scissors, so you cut along the dotted line when you're done. That's actually really cool. Wow. I've never seen that before. I've never seen like cut along this line. Weird. Okay. So here's the color list. 17 different colors. I don't think this is a special drill one. I think it's just a full normal drill, whatever. The drill field looks very clear. I don't see any issues. Do you guys see any issues? I do not see any issues with any symbols that are hard to read. It's very straightforward. And then these are the drills. There are no special drills or ABs or anything like that, so I'm not actually going to open this. So let's move on to the next diamond painting. Oh yes, and the basic kit. This time this one comes with baggies. This will also go in my portfolio. And this last one is a humongous baby, a huge boy, a huge baby. So let's take a look. Can you guess what it is from just looking at this? Guess, give me a guess. Here is what it is. It's a praying skull, praying skeleton. I thought this was really neat. Obviously, I'm not a religious person at all, but I was like, this is really cool. I need to get this one. Here are the drills, and as you can imagine, they're all dark colors. Probably a lot of them are going to be 310 and 939. Ooh, where's this purple go? That's actually really nice. And it came with 2 toolkits this time. And there's a multi-placer on one of the toolkits. Oh, on both of the toolkits it comes with a multi-placer. So that's neat. You can work on it with a friend. Let's unroll this canvas. I'm not going to be able to fit all of it in frame, just so you know, but we will take a look. Okay, so I'm going to hold the camera up. That's very pretty. I really like it. It looks very detailed as well. If you hear that bell, it's just my cat's collar. So it looks like on the left-hand side we have our schematic, and on the right-hand side we have our schematic. I would have preferred to have the other schematic down here, because when you're working on the diamond painting down here, you want to be able to see the symbols. But this one, this one's really nice. I just wish the schematic was down here or down here, because yeah, it's going to be annoying to see the symbols. But I'll probably just make stickers out of the schematic with my sticker maker. Thank you, Sandra West, for the sticker maker. So here is the thumbnail again, and then we have our color list. Lots of dark colors. And it looks like there's 20 colors altogether. We'll take a look at the drill field because it is a darker painting, so we want to make sure that we can see everything. I might use a light pad for this. I usually just have the light pad on my desk, so I just use it by default. But it looks like I'm not going to actually need the light pad. Everything just looks really easy to see. I'm not seeing any issues. Look at his nose. His nose looks like a cave or an upside down butt, or maybe an upside down heart, whatever you want to look at it as. So yeah, I think this canvas is really nice, and it measures 45 by 85 centimeters. So that is a big baby. It's a big long baby, a big long boy. And once again, our drills are just normal drills. It is a round diamond painting. Our packages don't say the DMC code, but on the legend on the canvas, there is the DMC code if you do want to keep these drills. I'm really excited about this one. These diamond paintings were sent to me, but I will show you the pricing and the images from the website. So this is the bee, giant bee, $4.75 Canadian. This is the praying skeleton, which was $15. I believe it's Canadian. Is it Canadian? I don't know. Maybe it's US. I don't know. Don't quote me on the currency, but this is the praying skull, $15. And here is the dream catcher, which is $7.25, and it's not called the dream catcher, it's called the luminous snow silver pendant. Ooh, so fancy. That's a fancy name. So $7.25. So that's my order from DIY Digital Art. What do you guys think of it? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Is the skull scary to you? He's kind of scary to me, but that's okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you like diamond painting videos and you want to see more from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Bye.